Imagine making $100 a day using only free AI tools, no experience needed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners can start earning right now. Don't miss out. No coding skills, no investment, just your smartphone or laptop and a willingness to learn. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Why focus on AI tools? Because AI is transforming how we work and earn. From automatic text to recreating content, AI is now accessible to everyone for free. The best part? These tools save time, improve quality, and open doors to income streams that didn't exist before. In this video, I'll introduce you the top 5 free AI tools you can start using right now to make $100 or more per day. First up is ChatGPT by OpenAI, a powerful AI text generator available for free. What can you do with it? Write blogs, articles, and social media posts for clients, generate ideas for YouTube videos or marketing campaigns, create product descriptions for online stores, draft emails, proposals, and even cover letters. How to earn? Offer freelance writing gigs on Fiverr or Upwork using ChatGPT to deliver quality fast. Start a content creation service. You write, AI helps polish and speed up your work. Always personalized and check AI content before delivering. You can easily make $20 to $100 per gig with some practice. Next is Canva's AI-powered design tools, also free to use with an account. With Canva AI, you can create stunning social media graphics, design YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, and Pinterest pins. Use AI text generators to write catchy headlines and captions. How to earn? Offer thumbnail or social media design services. Start your own social media page with AI-generated content and monetize through affiliate links or sponsorship. Charge $10 to $50 per design depending on complexity. Now let's talk about Pictory AI, a free tool for creating videos for scripts and articles. Why video? Because video content is exploding and many creators want to automate video production. What can you do? Turn blog posts or scripts into engaging videos with images, captions, and voiceovers. Create faceless YouTube shorts or social media reels quickly. How to earn? Offer video creation services to YouTubers, bloggers, and marketers. Build your own automated channel with minimal effort. With practice, you can make $50 to $200 per video or per month from your channel. Fourth, we have 11 Labs, a free AI voiceover tool that sounds incredibly natural. Why is voiceover important? Because many content creators want professional narration without recording their own voice. How to earn? Offer voiceover gigs for videos, audiobooks, or ads. Combine with Pictory to create full video packages. Charge $10 to $100 plus depending on project size. 11 Labs make it easy for beginners to deliver professional audio fast. Finally, Jasper AI, another amazing AI assistant offering a free trial. Jasper specializes in marketing copy, sales email, blog posts, product descriptions. How to earn? Use Jasper for high-quality copywriting gigs. Start affiliate marketing by writing product reviews and blog content with Jasper. Remember, the free trial is limited, so use it wisely. Now that you know these free tools, here a pro tip. Combine them. For example, use ChatGPT to write a script, turn that script into a video with Pictory, add a voiceover with 11 Labs, design a thumbnail with Canva. This combo lets you deliver complete packages and change more. Plus, you can serve more clients and build multiple income streams. Alright, that's your step-by-step guide to earning $100 per day using free AI tools, even if you are a total beginner. Start today, pick one tool and take action. The AI revolution is here and now it's your turn to benefit. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Comment below which AI tool will you start with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.